Hello, Namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all good. Today is an important video. If you're going for PAN Aadhaar link, do watch this video and proceed. First question is it compulsory for all to have this PAN Aadhaar link? The answer is yes. If you're a citizen of India, having Aadhaar and PAN with you, you got to link these two cards together before 31st of March 2023. Most of the people are thinking that this PAN Aadhaar link is applicable only for taxpayers, that is the income taxpayers, to file tax returns, but it is not so. Even a student, if she or he has got this PAN Aadhaar cards with them, they have to go for this PAN Aadhaar link. Okay, here are some of the categories who are exempted from aadhaar-pan linking. If they want to link, they can link for free without paying any penalty. As you see in the picture, first are NRIs, second, not a citizen of India, and third, 80 years and above. And fourth, you have got residents of states like Assam, Meghalaya, or Jammu and Kashmir. Next, we'll see what are the consequences you got to face if you are not going to link Aadhaar with PAN before 31st of March 2023. First is your PAN card would be deactivated. Please don't think that they will extend the date after 31st of March 2023. If at all there are any chances they would extend, but the fine would be 10,000 rupees. So if you want to link Aadhaar with PAN, you have to pay 10,000 rupees after 31st March 2023. As you see in the picture, CBDT has got a new notification. After 31st March 2023, there will be 13 crores PAN cards would be cancelled. Second, as you see in the picture, these are some of the consequences you have to face. If your PAN is cancelled or deactivated, you just read it by yourselves. From KYC to investments would not be possible as before. Okay, without any delay, we'll go for Aadhaar-pan linking process. As you see in the picture, you've got two ways to link Aadhaar with PAN through SMS and e-portal. In first case, you have to send an SMS from your registered mobile number as UID, PAN, less than 12-digit Aadhaar number to 56161 or 567678. Next, you have got, I'll provide this website in the description box. Otherwise, you can pause the video and enter the website. After you enter, this is the interface that appears. First, you have to see the status or check with the status. So go for link Aadhaar status. Here also, you have got two ways. You can check via SMS or through website as shown in the picture. Click on link Aadhaar status. Enter your PAN and Aadhaar number. Then click on view link Aadhaar status. Once you click, this is the interface that appears. Here you see it says PAN is not linked with your Aadhaar. So you have to click on link Aadhaar. Once you click, you see here the screen. Enter your PAN and Aadhaar number again. Then click on validate button as shown in the picture. And this box pops up. And you scroll down. You click on continue to pay through e-pay tax. Click on that. Now you have to enter your PAN again here. Confirm your PAN. Enter your mobile number. Enter OTP that is sent to your mobile. And click on continue. Click on continue again. You see here three boxes appearing. You go to the first box and click on proceed button. After you click, you select the assessment year as 2023 and 24 and come to this type of payment and select other receipts 500. After selecting, click on continue button. Click on continue here. You see here different payment modes are available. You can use net banking, debit card, pay at bank counter, and NEFT and payment gateway. You can go for last option, that is payment gateway, because net banking, debit card or credit card modes are also available on that. You can check out. But if you don't want to use this online payment modes, you have the option of offline payment modes also. As you see in the picture, pay at bank counter, you can pay through cash, check out demand draft. What you have to do is you have to take the printout of your payment challan, go to the bank and pay at the counter. Please note this challan has got expiry date. Just like this, you have got one more option, NEFT, for offline payments. If you want, you can go for that. Okay, now choose any of the payment modes that are available here. In this video, I'll show you 3 different online payment modes. Here I chose net banking. Afterwards, you got to click on continue. Your payment details will appear. Click on pay now. After you click, you see the terms and conditions. Scroll down and put a tick mark in the box, I agree to the terms and conditions, and click on submit to bank. After you click, you enter the mobile number and thereafter captcha and click on pay now. Here you'll be directed to your bank. You got to enter your user ID and password and click on sign in. You go to debit account and select the account name, and thereafter you can write the purpose if you want. Otherwise, you can click on continue. Then you'll see all the payment details coming up. Click on continue and enter your transaction password and OTP password. Click on submit. That's it. Your challan payment is successful. You can download the receipt of payment by using the download option if you want and save a copy. And after 5 days, you can check your aadhaar-pan link status. Okay, next we'll go for one more online payment mode. Here I have chose debit card and selected the bank, clicked on continue. You click on pay now. Here terms and conditions appear. Scroll down and put a tick mark in the box as shown in the picture. I agree to the terms and conditions and click on submit to bank. Enter your mobile number and captcha code. Click on pay now. Next you see this kind of interface appearing before you, asking all your debit card details. You give all your details, enter the captcha code and click on pay. Enter your OTP that is sent to your mobile and click on submit. That's it. Your challan payment is successful. Proceeding to the next mode of payment. This is payment gateway. You've got the options of Canara Bank, Federal Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank. You can choose any of the options. If you go for Federal Bank option, you've got many payment modes. You've got UPI, cards and online banking also is available. Here I chose the Federal Bank. Next you see the payment details coming up. You click on pay now. After you click on pay now, a small box pops up and you scroll down. You say have read the terms and conditions and click on submit to bank. Now this is a screen that appears. Click on pay now. As I said earlier, you have got many modes here. You can see smart checkout, cards, net banking and UPI. You can click on cards if you want to go for card payment. You can give all the details here and click on pay. Otherwise you can go for UPI. You click on UPI. Now this is a screen that appears. You have to enter your UPI address as shown in the picture. Your phone number followed by any UPI you have, such as Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay, etc. After you enter, click on verify and then click on pay. Please make sure that your phone is ready with the internet on, because you have to pay on Paytm app. Once you click on pay on your Paytm app, your transaction will be initiated and in few moments your transaction would be successful. As you see in the picture, it says your challan payment is successful. You can download a copy and keep it for you. You can also check your aadhaar-pan status being successful after 5 days. Sometimes your challan payment would fail and you see a debit of 1000 rupees from your bank account. Don't worry, your bank will put a reverse entry and you'll get your money back. If you don't get your money back, you can write to the support nsdl portal as shown in the picture. You can write email to them and they will respond. Still, if you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe. Flying Skies 1. Keep smiling. Have a good day.